friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Global Creative Academy. My name is Dr. Anuradha Joshi and I am a creative educator as well as an effective learning coach. This channel is mainly providing content for teachers and students, anything and everything about teaching and learning. So today I'll be telling you some of the tips which are useful for effective PowerPoint presentations. Okay, so let us start with the first one. So remember friends, the power of presentation does not lie in the slides alone. It lies in your teaching. You as a teacher, as an educator, is the power in front of the students, not your slides. So that is number one. Number two, remember that in your slides, in the starting slides, you should always have your objectives very clear. That is known as the specific learning objectives. That is where you are taking your lecture, what your lecture is trying to give to the students and what will be the learning outcome at the end. So the educator or the teacher has to be very sure कि आज मैं ये लेक्चर लेने वाली हूँ और इसका ये ऑब्जेक्टिव है एंड आई नो एट द एंड ऑफ 45 मिनट्स और 1 आवर स्टूडेंट्स इतना सीख पाएंगे. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर द सेकंड पॉइंट. थर्ड पॉइंट इज लेजिबिलिटी. रिमेंबर, you are not there to present what you know. You are there to present and discuss and show the students how much they are going to learn. So see to it that your slides are legible. They are having neither very small fonts or very large fonts. A medium font is good enough. Plus, the slides should not be overloaded because overloading of the slides hampers legibility as well as अगर बहुत small fonts होंगे उससे भी legibility hamper होती है. Okay. Next point, the fourth point is showing visuals. Remember teachers and educators, जब भी आप आपके PowerPoint presentations करते हो, try to bring in some jaw-dropping visuals, some interesting visuals, photographs on that topic. It should be contextual and it should be very interesting visual. Visual should not be there just for the sake of showing a picture or an image, something like a cartoon. It's not that. It has to be contextual कि जो topic आज आप ले रहे हो उसके साथ उसको relate करना चाहिए and it should be something which is trying to update and help the students to recall what this topic is all about with the help of a visual. Next thing is rule of 6. It is very interesting. Remember educators and teachers कि जब भी आप slide present करते हो there should be 6 lines and 6 words in one line. So that is known as the rule of 6. So remember 6 by 6 rule while presenting your lectures. Again I am reiterating, do not overload your slides कि एक slide में आपने 10 या 14 lines भर दी हैं. That is not done. स्टूडेंट्स उससे कुछ भी समझ नहीं पाते हैं एंड देन यू मे बी फीलिंग इलेटेड कि यार आज तो मैंने इतना सारा टॉपिक पढ़ाया है, पर एक्चुअल में टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट इट मे अपेयर वेरी बिटर टू यू. स्टूडेंट्स या ऑडियंस को लगता है कि यार दिस इज टू मच ऑफ अ कॉग्निटिव ओवरलोडिंग. सो अवॉइड दैट ओवरलोडिंग ऑन योर स्लाइड्स. नाउ सेकेंड लास्ट थिंग, योर एंटायर PowerPoint presentation should be simple. It should not be that you are filling it with lot of graphics, yeah, lot of animations in that. It should not be like that. There should be a nice blending of some animation or videos, but it should not be again overloading of videos in your entire presentation of 1 hour, right? So your particular presentation should be simple and lucid. मतलब कि clear होना चाहिए, simple होना चाहिए. And last thing friends, which is very very essential, your content. हम जब सोशल मीडिया पे भी कुछ भी प्रेजेंट करते हैं तो हमारे जो मेंटर्स हैं हमको यही बोलते हैं कि कंटेंट इज द किंग. सो जो भी कंटेंट आज अगर आप लेक्चर लेने जा रहे हो या यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर लेक्चर, सी टू इट दैट योर कंटेंट इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग एंड सो रेलिवेंट कि बच्चों को भी लगे कि यार ये मैडम या ये सर का लेक्चर हम मिस नहीं कर सकते। उस लेक्चर में ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए विच आर सो रेलिवेंट एंड पर्टिनेंट कि स्टूडेंट्स को लगना चाहिए कि यार आज की क्लास में मैं एब्सेंट नहीं होऊंगा या होंगी। सो remember these 7 tips for effective PowerPoint presentations and wait and see the magic.